Amway, one of the biggest direct selling companies in the world, with a presence in over 100 countries. In its 25-year-old journey in India, the company has earned the distinction of being the largest direct selling FMCG company in the country. India is only the third country outside of USA where Amway has set up its manufacturing plant. And the company is keen to expand here, having allocated 30% of its global expansion budget towards this. It has already spent 600 crore rupees in setting up a state-of-the-art manufacturing plant in Nilakottai in Dindigul, Tamil Nadu, a hub of efficiency, safety and productivity. Amway has always maintained the highest standards when it comes to good manufacturing practices, or GMP. This plant has been awarded the FSSC 22000 version 5.1 Food Safety Management System for Nutri-Plant and ISO 22716 2007 in the beauty products segment. It is noteworthy that this plant boasts of contactless production. In other words, it is automated and runs without human intervention. But the company respects the importance of its human resource and has vaccinated 90% of eligible staff to create a safe and secure working environment. As an environmentally conscious company, the Amway India plant uses renewable sources for 70% of its energy needs and also run a zero-discharge waste facility. It is these initiatives that have helped Amway India earn the Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, or LEED Gold certification, one of the few companies in the country to have this distinction. But beyond business, Amway India also supports a comprehensive corporate social responsibility program in over 25 villages in the Dindigul district, benefiting more than 31,000 people. Amway India is known for producing high-end products for conscious consumers, but it also maintains the highest standards when it comes to manufacturing these products, while at the same time being mindful of its staff, the end user, and society at large.